Hiya folks, Amy here with a quick little mini haul from scrapbook.com. Just going to open this box up and show you what I got, but I don't have much today. The main reason that I ordered was because you may know there are a couple new-ish colors at Catherine Pooler. We have On the Lake and With an Olive. And you guys know I collect the minis, and I also buy the re-inkers. So that was the purpose for this order, was these two little goodies right here. So I have these for my collection. I need to add them to my swatch sheets and add them to the rest of my re-inkers. But they had a couple cool freebies here, one of them being Cloud Whip. Now I have never used this stuff before. I don't think I'm going to open that right now because I don't want to have to reseal it, but it looks really cool, three-dimensional. I think you can customize it and like add, like you could add re-inkers, or you could add other like colored mediums to it to give it some color if you didn't want white. Otherwise, making a cool little fluffy cloud feature would also be cool, of course. Okay, and then just a couple other things that I got. I think one of them was another freebie. Yes. Okay, so, oh, here's a freebie, another card making day sticker. This shape die, this is pretty tiny. It looks like it's about 1.5 inches, maybe. Yeah, about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. It's a cute little bow. It's got some little embossing details on it. So these were freebies here. And then the other thing that I bought was this thank you die cut from Lawn Fun. So it's all connected. These are some of the criteria that I look at when I'm shopping for dies. If they all cut out in like one piece and I don't have to fiddly place stuff back together or have tittles and things like that, it's my favorite. So this is really cool. It's a good size. Let's see, it's about looks like it's about 3.5 inches wide and about 2.5 inches long. So this is a nice focal point for a card. You guys know I love to create my own backgrounds with stencils or whatever else, so just having a die cut like this to put on top of it on the design is awesome. And I love these big dies from Lawn Fun. I have quite a few of them now. So that's it. Tiny little haul. Like I said, the main thing was I just had to get my hands on these colors, so I didn't go too crazy this time. But if you're interested in anything, I'll link it below if it's available in the video description box. If you follow those links, it does help me out. It's no additional cost to you. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching my little crafty haul, and I'm excited to play with this stuff. So thanks for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.